Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Minnie and I love sharing all things handbags, accessories, bath and body care, and a little extra. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and also click the bell so you're always notified every time I upload a video. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. All right, guys, so this is part 2 of my Mother's Day unboxing. I did get an opportunity to take advantage of I Love Dooney's code for mom. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Now, please let me know down in the comments if you guys had an opportunity to take advantage of the I Love Dooney or Dooney.com Mother's Day code. At first, guys, I really wasn't going to get anything, but I started looking on the site and I saw some things that I liked, so I said, why not? All right, guys, so your girl picked up another satchel, and I am going to show you guys, and this is my first time seeing it in person. So before I show you guys, so the color I picked up, guys, is a color that I did not even know that Dooney had in the first place, but I was like, I might as well get it because I wanted some spring colors. And the color I picked up is called Azure, and I did not know that that was even a color for Dooney. So y'all, I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys, because this will be the first color like this that I have in my collection, period. So let's get into it, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my gosh, oh my god. Y'all, y'all, do you see this? Oh my gosh, y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like my camera is picking it up, but it's not picking it up as beautiful as it is in front of me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, y'all, this bag is so gorgeous. Okay, we gonna get into this. Okay,
La 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 la, so high, so high, so high. La 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 la, so high, so high, so high. All angels sing from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to
$9.40, and that was before taxes, but the total price was $202.65, y'all. Now I did have a $20 off coupon for I Love Dooney, so that's with the coupon and the taxes. Of course, they have free shipping for the Mother's Day. You had to put in a code for that as well too, and I did that. So yeah, you cannot beat the price of this, because this bag was originally, I believe it was like $4 something on the site originally. So for your girl to get it for $202, y'all, I'm stoked right now, like super stoked. I absolutely love this. So let's go ahead and take all of this off, because your girl is keeping. All right, guys, so this is the pebbled green satchel. Like I said, I did pick this up from I Love Dooney. It is no longer available on I Love Dooney as of this video, which is Tuesday, May 14th. So I did not see it on I Love Dooney, but they do have the pebble green satchel available on Dooney.com, and I believe it's in the color white. Now let's go over some of the features. It's currently going for $249 right now, and I believe you can do the birthday sale, which is up to 50% off, and it'll be for $249. The original price is $4.98, y'all. So, like I said, I'm so glad that I was able to take advantage of the Mother's Day sale that I Love Dooney had going on. I did purchase this from I Love Dooney, not Dooney.com. All right, so let's go over some of the features of the bag. So the height of this bag is 8 inches, the width is 5.75, and the length is 13 inches. This bag weighs 2 pounds 11 ounces. Now, on the outside of the bag, as you guys can see, it has that beautiful tanned trimming on it. It has the whip stitching here on the handles, which I absolutely love. It has all gold hardware on the bag as well too. You get the Dooney 14 karat gold plate here on the front. You get your zipper pull as well too. It's not the braided zipper pull, but still you get a zipper pull here. The zipper is in gold as well. And then I absolutely love the beautiful tassels on both sides of the bag as well too. Now, these ones do not have that velvet on the underside like the Florentine satchels have. But I still love the satchels. The tassels. They're absolutely gorgeous. And do y'all see the pleat that's on the side of this bag? Y'all, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love the pleating and I love the piping as well too around it. Absolutely gorgeous. It does not have any outside pockets. But this bag, of course, comes with feet on the bottom. Y'all know I love a bag with feet. And it also has the leather tabs on the bottom as well too. And then we are going to go ahead and take a peek in the inside. That's a nice smooth zipper as well too, guys. And let's go ahead and take the stuffing out.
La 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 la, so high, so high, so high.
Let me look at this really quickly because this is the strap that goes to the bag. You can wear this bag crossbody. This is too big of a bag for me to carry crossbody, but you definitely can if that's what you want to do. But for me, I will most likely carry this as a shoulder bag or just top handle personally. That'll just be how I carry it. Now this is a wider scrap compared to some of the ones that I have, and it is the 3-part. So you can you take this middle out? No, you cannot take the middle out. So this is not the 3-part scrap. So you would only be able to adjust it. How many holes come in here? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 holes. You can adjust it to the shortest one if you want it to be, whatever length that's going to be comfortable for you. And then once again, the hardware is really substantial on here. I like the large hardware on here. And it is also in gold.
La 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 la, so high, so high, so high.
And on the back wall, if you guys can see that, it does come with a back zipper here. It comes with the Dooney and Bourke leather tab here in the back, and then it also comes with a slip pocket as well too. It is in that red lining, which is 100% cotton. If you flip it over to the front side, you do get another large slip pocket as well too. So absolutely love this bag, y'all. It is so gorgeous. All right, guys, so that is my beautiful, beautiful Dooney and Bourke Pebble Green Satchel. Please let me know down in the comments if you guys were able to take advantage of that Mother's Day sale, or if you didn't catch the sale but you purchased some stuff either before the sale or after, let me know down below. Also, let me know if you have this particular color in your collection as well too. And if you have any satchels, what size and material you have, let me know down below. And until next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.